Hi there, welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. This video, a bit of a different video. I'm going to do a bit of a review on a recent purchase. So I've been building up bits of kit as we've been developing the channel. So different cameras, different microphones, different lights, bits and bats that I've got kind of in a rucksack, chucked in. It's not organised. When I need to use it, it's a total nightmare. So what I wanted to do was get a dedicated bag that's got sections built in that I can put equipment into and easily get out. So I got this one. So this is, it's off Amazon. So the link will go into the description. The brand has come as the, let me show you that if I can just, Tarion. So it's a camera backpack essential series. So it's nothing amazing, it's quite a basic one. But the features are compact and lightweight. It's got thick padding. It's got straps underneath it for tripods. So we've got our tripod which can connect to it, and it's got a waterproof rain cover in there as well. So this should hopefully be really good for us just to chuck stuff in, get stuff out when we need it. So what I wanted to do was just do a quick review on it, show you the bag, what you get with it, kind of how big it is, because it's a little bit smaller than I thought it might have been. So I'll run through my equipment I've got, I'll run through the bag, show you the equipment in the bag and give you an idea of how it looks. So let's get all of the equipment out now and show you what I've got to get in this bag. Okay, as previously mentioned, this is the rucksack I've got now. It's just a black, what's like a walking rucksack to use it when we're doing walking. So let me get all the equipment out that we've got. I'm obviously filming on the camera. It's got the DJI Pocket 2, which we have done an unboxing of. So I think this is from my order, so I've got some other stuff there. I've got like a battery pack there. So I've got kind of USB like little hubs. Oops. I've got an old Logitech webcam, micro SD and SD card reader for my laptop, another USB USB-C hub. I've got the Elgato Stream Deck in there, which I've started using. Cables, more cables. So I've got an HDMI cables in there. USB extender, USB-C cable, another HDMI out for USB-C, pack of cards, that's everything in that section. This main section is a total mess, as you can see there. Everything's just shoved in and it's a pain to get stuff out. So I've got some old cases, excuse me, there. So I've got in here my Razer microphone, which we do for recording at the desk or doing the live streaming. There. Got the Logitech mouse. Also got the Logitech Brio camera there as well. So again, I use for recording at the desk. Which got a USB-C cable for it. Another USB-C hub. There. I've got a laptop sleeve case there. And at the bottom of here, which I'm not sure, oh, it's the Elgato Stream Deck stand. And then in here I've got another separate case, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do because I'll have to carry that separately, I think. But that's for my DJI Pocket equipment. So I've done an unboxing of the stuff, but they've got the case, waterproof camera, some other microphone bits in there. So that's a separate box, which is really useful. It's really good, that. I think so. That's about it, really. Got a charger there. Oh, that's a little mount for the tripod for my phone. The camera mount. Some mount for the Logitech Brio. And I've got there a light for when we're using it at the desk. I think that's everything. There's a strap there for that. Another cable. So that's a lot. So we'll get everything, all this organised, show you the bag, and see how it all fits in. Okay, so this is the bag. It's got front pocket in there, quite a deep front pocket, so you could keep stuff in there that you want to quickly get to. It's got some side mesh pockets or elastic on there. Probably get a small water bottle in there perhaps. And another one on that side. Got the tripod straps at the bottom. Should probably fit a small tripod into. Oops, got the tag stuck in, I think. And the brick in. There we go. Okay, so there it is inside. So it comes with these sections that you can move. So the Velcro, so you can have them wherever you think they should go. So put it there. Obviously a strap there just to keep things secured in the middle. That's the waterproof bag that it makes. It'll go around the outside. So it's got elasticated and will go around the outside. Large section at the top there. Obviously these smaller sections here. So just to give you an idea, if I take my Razer Mini Siren microphone there, I probably wouldn't stand up because the bag wouldn't be big enough. So you'd have to lay that down there, for example, in there. That would fit in there like so. I could keep the cable in there and other things inside with it. Just to show you there as well, you've obviously got the laptop sleeve, put your laptop in there. Not that well padded though, so maybe more of a tablet. So I don't think if you have an expensive laptop, you want a laptop in that, just with the damage it might cause. So I'll put it into time lapse because you don't want to watch me putting stuff in this bag. Do a quick time lapse, show you putting stuff in, then once I've done it I'll come back at the end. Okay, so that was a quick time lapse of me putting the equipment in, putting it all together. So you saw me put the waterproof cover, sorry. So that's what I'll do is I'll just take things off and show you kind of in real time rather than a time lapse. So that fits on pretty well. Not a problem there with that. So the side pocket, that's just a standard can of Coke Zero, which is a bit of a tight squeeze. You might get one of those kind of smaller bottles of water in perhaps, but maybe, I don't know, something else in there rather than a bottle. Front pocket is quite tight. You probably get a pack of cards in there, for example, not a problem. So maybe phone, small tablet, something like that in the front. So if I open the bag, nice. So just to show you in there, so obviously you've got that middle strap there, kind of tying that middle bit together. To show me DJI Pocket 2 case there, so that can just be chucked in. Got the HDMI cables, the bigger chunkier cables in that top bit, along with that case there. USB hubs in there. I've got that microphone and that light just tucked in there. Logitech mouse, really nicely protected in there because that's obviously quite a valuable mouse just to protect it. In that middle bit, put the Logitech Brio, its cable, and the Elgato Stream Deck in there. That's a standard Stream Deck in that one. Cables and a power pack in there. That's my bag of microphones, extended microphones. Other Logitech USB camera in that one. USB hubs in there. And then in this one, I just put my tablet in. So its tablet fits in there nicely. Again, if it's got its own case, you'll probably be alright. It's not that padded, so I'd be worried if it got banged with a laptop. You might not want to obviously risk damaging your laptop. So that's that overview of the inside, what you can get in there. So that's good. Okay, so just to show you up there as well, I had to come off the tripod. I've attached my tripod to the bag. So you see, it's a standard, nothing special tripod. I'll put a link in the description of the one I've got. But it's an extendable one. It's got the microscopic legs, so it does go quite big. I think it's like 1.8 meters tall when it's fully extended. But there it is at the bottom. Let me just lift the bag up and show you it. So you can see, tucked under there nicely. Straps are good enough. You could get a bigger one in there if you wanted to. Yeah, you could definitely get a bigger one because the straps are nowhere near the biggest they could be. But that seems pretty secure. You've got the buckles there as well, which is good. So yeah, holds that tripod pretty well. Okay, there we have it. That's the Tarion TBS camera backpack, the Essential Series. We'll run through the basic overview of the bag, what you get with the bag, what its supposed features are, showing you the inside, how you can fit things in, showing you my equipment in there as well. Obviously having the tripod underneath is pretty good little feature, but carry it around. Overall, for the value, for the price of the bag, it's really good value. Definitely recommend it. See how we get along with it. I guess the only downside, one of the downsides, is that these side pockets doesn't, it's a bit of a squeeze just for that Coke Zero canning. But other than that, it's really good. So if this video was useful, you like the video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a dislike. If you want to follow along for more videos like this, more DIY videos as well, please do subscribe. Okay, thank you.